Before we get to the main topic, I see a lot of questions regarding the Istanbul event tomorrow. What time it is, where can I watch it, and I do not get why everyone keeps on telling you to convert Istanbul time zone into your own time zone. The same thing that was happening with Dubai pay-per-view event. There is a much simpler way. I will give you a link in the description. When you click on it, it will show you exactly how many hours remaining before the event starts on Voice of Arm Wrestling channel. Welcome Arm Wrestlers, I'm Pradeep Singh and you're watching Arm Wrestling News. Devon Larratt has revealed his next opponent. He will face Levan Saginashvili next year. No, he did not take his name directly, but he said he wants to face the winner of Top 8 season. And to be honest, I don't see Dave Chaffee beating Levan. Vitali may have gained 10-12 kilos since the last time he lost to Levan, so maybe he can hit Levan straight to the pad once if the strength gap has closed, but I just cannot see it happening 4 times. Long story short, Levan is winning this season of Top 8 too. In his most recent video, Levan said that Devon Larratt is bigger and stronger now and he would gladly pull him. In fact, he has already talked to Igor about this match and will discuss the agreement further once Igor lands in Georgia, which is less than 2 weeks from now. Devon believes this match can happen. Levan believes this match can happen. He believes that Igor does not have a good enough reason to deny this match. So 10-12 months from now, we may see this Devon match happening. Even though Levan believes that Devon cannot beat Vitali, he has agreed to the match with Devon, thanks to Devon's popularity. So sadly, Devon will not be having another super match this year. Because once you get the taste of how strong you can be at 290 pounds, it becomes a really difficult decision to have a match at your normal weight again. And if Devon decides to get massive again for November, he will be risking his health. And he has said multiple times that his health is his priority now. Larry is also trying to bring Devon vs Levan match on his King of the Table card in November. Larry said that he is trying his best and is hopeful that he will make the necessary arrangements to make this match happen. But I have absolutely zero reasons to believe that Igor will allow Levan to compete in PR promotions between the stages of Top 8. So I don't see any possibilities of this match happening in November. I believe that Gennady Kvikwinia vs Michael Todd could be a really good main event super match. Because Gennady and Michael, they both would hype the shit out of this match. Devon Larratt will be live on Larry Wheels channel, which would further clear some more things. Larry also looked really excited about the Jody Larratt vs Rebecca Todd match, and he's trying to get them on the table as well in November. Next up in the news is Invincible Devon. Michael Todd kept his promise of wearing Invincible Devon t-shirt after his loss. They decided a couple of months ago that whoever loses this match has to wear the opponent's Invincible t-shirt. Finally, in today's news, PAL shared top 8 95 kilos match card this week, and surprisingly, John Brazing's photo is still there. John has mentioned quite a few times that he won't be competing again because of his shoulder, low motivation, and delays in the top 8 season. Personally, I don't want to see him compete again because I like when legends retire while they are still on top. And I may hurt a few feelings by saying this, but I don't think a 56-year-old John Brazing can hang with these top 8 guys. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it is the right thing to do. We still see Ron Barth competing every month. He knows he isn't the same as before and may not win, but win or lose, he loves the sport and he loves to compete. If you like the videos I make, consider supporting me on Patreon. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.